Hello, hello everybody. This is Kostas Albanidis, and I would like to show you something about Outlook, Microsoft Outlook today. A small bug that I had to deal with that, and so I would love to show you and save some time to some of you. You know, sometimes a small bug can kill all your day and all your time trying to figure out what's not working. I'm gonna show you. You see, I moved my folder from Microsoft Outlook, and I took it from one folder to another one. But there was something strange here. You know, when you try to get the emails, you're gonna see this error. Let me show you. Let me show you here. Okay, just to show you, I had to remove some of the folders and take them down. So I'm gonna show you here what is going on with Microsoft Outlook. Okay, I had to hide some messages and some parts of the emails so that you can see what's going on here. You see, when you try to send and receive a message, you see this error. You see, 0H8004010F. Okay, this means that the Outlook file cannot be accessed, but one way or the other, we moved the folder and we put it to another folder. Okay, we took it from D, let's say, and we remove it and put it to C. When the Outlook, Microsoft Outlook opens, it's asking you, and that's normal, to say that the location of this folder is to the new location, that it's to C Outlook PST. Okay, until here everything is okay, but when you open the Microsoft Outlook, you see all your email are okay, they're inside its location, but when you try to send and receive messages, you get this error. Okay, to this video, the aim is to resolve this error, and I'm going to show you very fast what I did and managed to solve it, because you know, the bug that I told you about, it's this one. If you go to one of the emails, let's say we're gonna select freespirits.gr, and we have to go to account settings. Here, to account settings, the normal way is to double click on the data file, not the data file, the email support freespirits.gr. Okay, you see the settings are okay, and the most important, because you change the folder, and I changed the folder, you have to change the folder here. That's the normal way. You select change folder, and you select here to the new position, and you select where it goes. It's to the incoming messages. If you press OK, nothing happens. You see, nothing at all. Nothing is happening here. Here I managed to do that, and you see that I managed to change it. Now you're gonna see something crazy. If I change the folder and select, let's say, infected items, you see, now it's working. If you select change folder and now you select the input folder, the incoming messages, now it's gonna change normally. How How crazy is that? Okay, now it's working. Yeah, so according to this behavior, you have to do everything like that to all the rest folders, and you have to change it like that. Um, Let me see to make it a little bit louder to the Microsoft to the microphone because I guess it's I don't sound well. Just a moment. Okay, I hope now it's better. So let me show you again. You see, I'm gonna change this email again and change the folder. I'm going here. So here, the only thing I want to select, it's another folder. Let's select the RSS. You see, it's changing. It's changing normally. So now if I select the input folder, it's gonna work. Again, sorry for double click. I messed up because it's a little bit confusing here. So you select the next email, you select change folder. And now if I select again input the incoming mail, you see, it's not accepting it, so it's gonna drop an error. If you select the infected items, let's say, it's gonna take it, and then you can select the normal folder. Yeah. So I'm gonna do the rest of the folders. I'm gonna fix it for myself the next minutes, and I'm gonna show you that it's gonna be working normally. Okay, let's do that. Let's finish with this one. Okay. Yeah, I got a lot of emails here. Yeah, and now it's a little bit annoying if you have a lot of emails, because if you have just one, it's not gonna be so messy. And maybe I will need to erase some of them and keep up with the main emails, but I just want to show you again how I'm doing it and overcome the this message. So you see, I'm changing it. I'm sure I'm gonna forget some of them, but I hope not. Okay, we're fixing this one and the next one, and we are close to the end, a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video over here for a while to finish the rest, not to make this video long, and I'm gonna show you in a moment how it's working normally. Give me a moment. Okay, guys and ladies, I'm back. I'm gonna show you now how it's working normally. You see, all the emails, they're redirecting to the correct folder, and and I receive my emails normally with no errors. How crazy is that? And the other crazy is that it doesn't keep the rules. You know, the rules is when you have arranged so that an email goes to a particular folder. When you move your folder to another one, this happens not to work, and you have to rearrange the rules. Okay, this video, I hope help you a lot. Just like and subscribe. You know the procedure, and I will try to do more more illuminating videos like that. I hope you like it and you found it useful and saved your day. Wish you the best. Have a perfect day.